Getting started with SureSend is super simple. Just follow these 4 easy steps. Step 1. Sign into your account or create a new one. Step 2. Time to add your recipient. Head over to the Contacts tab and enter their name and email. That's it. Step 3. Let's get your file ready to send. Navigate to EDE Transfers and select Create New EDE. Give your EDE a name, pick your recipient, and add a passphrase. This ensures only the recipient can retrieve the file. Don't forget to share the passphrase with your recipient. Decide how long the file should be available. If it expires, it's gone. No access, even with the passphrase. Upload your file, and if you want, add a quick note for your recipient. Step 4. Just hit Send EDE, and you're done. And that's how you send files with SureSend in 4 easy steps.